This morning, a critical decision.
I would say this is probably professionally the most difficult decision I've ever had to make. Both sides, okay, have made really solid positions.
The judge in the Idaho college murder case weighing whether or not to grant a change of venue for the trial involving the death of 4 University of Idaho students. Bryan Kohberger, the now 29-year-old former PhD student in criminology, watching as his defense team called multiple expert witnesses to reaffirm their claim that the jury pool in the tight-knit community of Moscow is tainted.
67% of prospective jurors who recognize the case believe Bryan Kohberger is guilty of murder.
Witnesses blaming oversaturation of media coverage.
There hasn't been positive stories about Bryan Kohberger. It's negative stories. It's all negative.
ABC News has reached out to Kohberger's family multiple times for comment. Prosecutors arguing moving the trial would be expensive and disruptive for the already grieving families of the victims.
Most of them live closer to Latah County than they do to Boise.
The parents of Kaylee Gonzalez say they want the trial to stay in Moscow.
This whole community has been victimized by this person. And they deserve to have a hand in part of the healing and the justice.
Do you feel like justice is not being served because this is taking so long?
I feel like we're being patient, but as a consequence of that, we should be able to keep it here.
Kohberger faces 4 murder charges in the stabbing deaths of Gonzalez, Madison Mogan, Ethan Chapin, and Xana Kernodle. A not guilty plea has been entered on his behalf.